Let's make the Galaxy Lemonade. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make the Galaxy Lemonade from Kraken Rum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. Alien Earth is a science fiction horror television series based in the Alien franchise. I'm a fan of the Alien franchise. I'm also a fan of Kraken Rum. And so when I saw they were doing a cross-promotion supporting Alien Earth and Kraken Rum by making some cocktails, I thought, yeah, I gotta make those cocktails. Galaxy Lemonade is one of those cocktails. A note on the rum. This is an official Kraken Rum cocktail, so you're gonna wanna use Kraken Rum's Black Spiced Rum. If you don't have Kraken's Black Spiced Rum and you wanna try another rum in here instead, feel free to do so, but then you're not making the official Galaxy Lemonade. We are going to make this drink in the glass, and to make it, we're going to start by adding 1.5 ounces of water into our glass. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters, and I've got fancy square bottle. You don't have to use fancy square bottle. It just makes it easy to pour. 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters. Next, we are going to use 3/4 of an ounce of butterfly pea simple syrup, and I did make this myself. I came up with my recipe because Kraken Rum doesn't provide recipes for their syrups. Videos here on the channel, link will be down below and at the end of the video if you want to check it out. 3/4 of an ounce, save that, and 22.5 milliliters, not and, or. And into this we're going to add 1 dash of edible purple glitter. This isn't the best dashing top, but we'll just do what we can. That's a lot of glitter. It's going to be a glittery drink. Now I'm going to fill the glass with ice. And by fill, I mean one is going to get stuck partway to the bottom. Because next we got to stir it. Now I can fill it with ice. Lemon juice. 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And we're going to slow pour this on top, so see if we can get it to layer. Oh, I need to measure it. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Clean out my jigger, but I'm not going to. Oh. Let's see what here. That didn't turn out too bad. Now, same thing, 2 ounces of Kraken Black Spiced Rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Slow pour, that is. Measure it. I'm going to flip for that. Should have flipped for the lemon juice, but oh well. Oh, yep, there you go. Lemonade kind of disappears in there, but that's the way it goes sometimes. And garnish, lemon wheel. I got big lemons. Don't judge me. It's not the size of the lemon that matters. And they don't say straw, but I'm going to sink a straw in there. And my lemon's going to fall out. See, too big. All right. And there you have it, a Galaxy Lemonade. Drink with good spirits. Stay. Question of the day, is there a better way to layer your drinks? If you know one, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to learn something from you. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. Contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it that far, give me a like. This far. If you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe. Turn on notifications so you don't miss on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.